Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Call the fire chief. We got his red 1957 Chevy all ready to go. This is a body off frame restored. It's upgraded with a 327 motor, disc brakes, turbo 400 automatic. It's actually a 150, and they've dressed it up with all the Bel Air trim. So we got a good looking car here. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read the specs, look at all the pictures top to bottom. That's where you find price tags on every one of the collector cars that we have for sale. And along with that, you'll see the monthly payment. We do finance these cars as well. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, real nice restoration. I was maybe done 10, 15 years ago. Body was off the frame. The body bushings have all been replaced. The floors look really good. The braces, the floor pans, the rockers all look nice and clean. Someone's prepped them and painted them a semi-gloss black. Although the front end components, they don't look brand new, but it's been rebuilt. Springs and ball joints and bushings, that was all replaced. It's got air shocks in the back. It does have a new dual exhaust system. Well, it's a stainless dual exhaust system. The pipes are, and it has cherry bomb mufflers. So it has a nice raspy 50s hot rod sound. You'll hear it towards the end of the video. As I mentioned, it is upgraded with disc brakes in the front. The e-brake assembly, the cables and all that is hooked up. You look up at the motor, it's clean. It's all Chevy orange. It looks good. Starter looks good. Flywheel covers there. And it has a turbo 400. That's the heavy-duty 3-speed automatic Chevy transmission. So underneath the car, very good. It obviously shows really well. I'm going to start by looking at the body, the roof. Awesome. I don't see any dents, damage, issues. All these gaps right here, a lot going on. They all line up nice and straight. Fits really well up front here. So the body, no dents. It's all straight. It's all looking really good. Again, I'm looking at the metal body. It's all real nice, no bubbles or issues. Absolutely straight. Door fits real nice. Roof looks good on this side. Quarter panels all real nice and straight. The body is looking excellent. Corners of the trunk, down below the trunk, all that's real nice. I don't see any body work, cracking, bubbling, no dents, no waves. That part of it looks really good. The red paint is also looking really slick. It's polished out very smooth and glossy. There's a hairline crack right here. I mean, you'll find like a piece of dust or a little tiny speck here and there, so very minor imperfections that only the owner of the car would know that they're there. Here's a scratch touched up. People walking up on it's going to say it's gorgeous. There is a decent flaw right here, about the size of your pinky nail. It's kind of blistered up right there. But otherwise, the paint is smooth and glossy. So all the stainless trim here, this is all very good. I'm not saying it's brand new, but it's straight, it's shiny, it's not beat up. The side moldings do look new because they put all the Bel Air trim on, so that looks new. There is a mild dent, like it got bent there a little bit. As the rocker molding, it has mirrors on both sides. They look new. Windshield looks new. The rubber gasket, soft. The rockets up front have been replaced. All the chrome up here was replaced a couple of years ago. It's probably a 9 out of 10, just slight abrasions on it, but it looks really good. It has the gold color grille, the gold emblems, all looks good. Headlight bezels are replaced. It's got rally wheels. The trim is in good shape. Radial tires. So it's got dual mirrors, door handles were replaced. Has the dual antennas, I always like that. You just need a raccoon tail. Has optional reverse lights. And all this chrome looks like it was replaced as well. It's time of restoration. And for those that still don't know, there's where you put gas in a 57 Chevy. You don't want to buy the car and be at the gas station for the first time and not be able to know where to put gas in your own car. So now let's stop it and let's see what we got inside. All right, we're going to see what we have here. Do have a rally wheel and a radial tire for a spare. It's a new tire, well, I should say never been used tire. But the trunk compartment itself is painted red real nice. Got the rubber mat, got the seat divider. It's got a weather strip. Looks like the wiring is probably new. It's got a real nice trunk compartment. No jack, but it does have a spare. So you have to ask your wife to pick the car up while you change the tire. Door jambs are painted nice. Weather strips were replaced. Has the correct reproduction upholstery, the two-tone red and black. Nice window cranks, handles, armrests. All the metal trim inside the car is painted very smooth and glossy. This is actually all real nice. Missing the speedometer needle. You see the shift indicator now has the 3-speed, which is correct for the Turbo 400. They changed the dial. And all the trim looks like it's been replaced. Does have a retro stereo that fits right in the dash. You might have noticed had speakers in the door panels. Light works. You got a glove box. You got a little touch-up paint. Down on the floor, nice red carpet with matching mats. Nice steering wheel. The seats, they're reupholstered. They match the door panels. Back seat, carpet, upholstery, side panels are excellent. There is some water staining on the headliner, which is a shame. The headliner is in excellent shape, no rips or tears. I don't know if they would clean up or not, but there is some staining there. Got matching visors. The dome light works. So let's check out the motor. So it's actually a really good motor compartment. You know, you could tweak it and make it a little more show-worthy, but it's got a strong running 327 motor, aluminum intake on there. I can't see what the carburetor is underneath. Looks like it's an Edelbrock. The electric choke. We got an upgraded aluminum radiator to keep it cool. They did away with the generator, upgraded it with an alternator. And when they did the disc brake conversion, they added the power brakes with the dual reservoir. You got factory electric wipers. And the metal, the engine bay, the core support, firewall, under the hood, all the metal looks really nice. So I say you could tinker with it. You could throw in some cool valve covers and air cleaner and, you know, really dress it up if you chose to, but it's fine the way it is. The door on the other side I just closed, shut like new. The trunk opens and closes like new. Let's see how this one here does. Shuts real nice. It's actually a really good car. I think just a couple little tweaks make it really, really outstanding. But it's great the way it is. Red 57 Chevy, we all know they don't go down in value, so here's a really nice example. Frame off restored. Get in and drive this car, get your compliments, get your kicks, it'll do it. That's my impression. Go to volocars.com and talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions. They'll help get this delivered to your door. They'll help you finance the car. That's at volocars.com. Hope you enjoy the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.